Rome is one of the most fascinating cities in the world. Known as the Eternal City, it is a place where history, culture, and art come together in every street and square. Walking through Rome feels like stepping back in time, with ancient ruins, grand piazzas, and stunning architecture surrounding you at every turn. From its world-famous landmarks to its hidden corners, Rome offers unforgettable experiences for every traveler. Whether you are here for history, food, or romance, this city has something truly special to offer. The Colosseum is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world and a symbol of ancient Rome. Built nearly 2,000 years ago, this massive amphitheater once held more than 50,000 spectators. It was the stage for gladiator battles, public shows, and grand celebrations. Today, it stands as a breathtaking reminder of Roman engineering and power, drawing millions of visitors every year. The Roman Forum was the heart of ancient Rome, where politics, religion, and daily life came together. Surrounded by grand temples, arches, and basilicas, it was the center of power for centuries. Walking among its ruins today, you can imagine senators debating, priests performing rituals, and citizens gathering in the bustling marketplace. It remains one of the most fascinating windows into the life of the Roman Empire. Palatine Hill is one of the most ancient parts of Rome and the legendary birthplace of the city. According to myth, it is where Romulus founded Rome. The hill later became home to Roman emperors, who built luxurious palaces with sweeping views over the city. Walking here, you find gardens, ruins, and a peaceful atmosphere. While standing on the hill, you can admire both the Roman Forum and the Colosseum from above. The Pantheon is one of the best preserved buildings from ancient Rome. Built nearly 2,000 years ago, it was originally a temple to all the gods. Its massive dome, with a circular opening at the top called the oculus, still amazes visitors today. The Pantheon later became a church and is also the burial place of famous figures like the artist Raphael. Its beauty and symmetry continue to inspire architects around the world. St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City is one of the most important churches in the world and a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture. Its grand dome, designed by Michelangelo, dominates the skyline of Rome. Inside, you will find breathtaking artworks, including Michelangelo's Pietà and the ornate bronze canopy by Bernini. Climbing to the top of the dome rewards visitors with one of the most stunning views over the entire city of Rome. The Vatican Museums hold one of the greatest art collections in the world. built over centuries by popes. Walking through its halls, you can admire ancient sculptures, Renaissance masterpieces, and priceless treasures. The highlight for many visitors is the Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's ceiling paintings and the Last Judgment create an unforgettable experience. The museums are a true journey through art, history, and faith. The Trevi Fountain is the most famous fountain in Rome, and one of the most beautiful in the world. Completed in the 18th century, it shows Neptune, the god of the sea, surrounded by powerful seahorses. Tradition says, if you throw a coin into the fountain over your shoulder, you are sure to return to Rome one day. Both by day and night, the Trevi Fountain shines as a magical place filled with energy and romance. Piazza Navona is one of Rome's most lively and beautiful squares. Built on the site of an ancient stadium, it features elegant Baroque architecture and 3 stunning fountains. The central Fountain of the Four Rivers, by Bernini, depicts rivers from 4 continents, surrounded by cafes, street artists, and historic buildings. Piazza Navona is the perfect place to enjoy the atmosphere, watch the world go by, and feel the heart of Rome. The Spanish Steps are a famous gathering spot in Rome, connecting Piazza di Spagna with the Trinità dei Monti church above. Built in the 18th century, the steps are a mix of elegance and charm. Tourists and locals alike sit here to relax, enjoy the view, and watch the city life pass by. At the base, the Barcaccia fountain adds beauty to the scene, making this one of Rome's most vibrant and photogenic spots. Castel Sant'Angelo was originally built as a mausoleum for Emperor Hadrian and later became a fortress and papal residence. Its cylindrical shape and massive walls make it a striking landmark along the Tiber River. Inside, you can explore historic rooms, grand halls, and the secret passage connecting it to the Vatican. From the rooftop terrace, visitors enjoy panoramic views of Rome and the river, blending history with stunning scenery.